Having trouble completing your T-Mobile purchase? You're not alone. T-Mobile has enhanced its security, so checkout failures often occur due to strict address verification tied to your payment method, outdated browsers, or VPNs. If you get an error like payment method invalid, address mismatch, or browser not supported, it's likely one of these issues. T-Mobile's system rigorously verifies your payment method, address, and browser compatibility to prevent fraud, so ensuring these are up to date and align with the requirements will help resolve the issue. These errors have been prevalent since T-Mobile migrated to a new cloud-based infrastructure in May 2025. First, double-check your billing address and ensure it matches exactly with what your bank has on file, including abbreviations. Next, make sure your credit or debit card is valid and unexpired. Next, use a supported browser like Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox with versions from 2023 onward being best. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, or try incognito mode. Disable any VPNs or ad blockers, as they can mask your IP address and trigger security flags. As a last resort, contact T-Mobile support for account-specific assistance. Addressing these areas should allow you to successfully complete your transaction.